Hey Pickmare, hope you're all doing well. Just here to set today's challenge. So today's challenge is a maths challenge. What we're going to do is create a bar chart that reflects how many items you've got of each colour in your house. Now we're going to focus on just 3 colours. The colours I'm choosing are blue, yellow and black. First thing we need to do is go on a big treasure hunt around your house and count up or tally how many items you have of each of the 3 colours that you've chosen. So, here goes. What I have got so far, I just need to turn the camera around. So there's my blue items just there, I've got some from the kitchen, the bedroom, the lounge, all over. I've gone to my black items, and then down the end I've put the yellow just there. So what you should have done is you should now have a tally to tell you exactly how many you've got of each colour. For me, black items I had 38. For yellow, I only had 7, not many at all. And for blue, I had 29. So I'm now going to start to plot these onto a chart. Right then, so first thing I've done is drawn my axis along both sides. I've put my 3 colours down at the bottom. I've gone up in 5s, but it'll depend on how many items you have. That works for me. If you've got a lot more items than me, you might need to go up in 10s or 20s. Now, yellow items, I only had 7 yellow items. So we've got 0, 5 and 10. So it's going to be just under halfway. So I would say that's kind of halfway, which would be 7.5 items. So I'm going to go about there for mine. Black items, I had 38, so it's going way up. 30, 35, 38 is a little closer to 40, so I'm going to go around here. I'm going to put a little mark on, and then for my blue items it was 29. So here's 30, here's 25, oh 29, quite close to 30, so I'm going to plot it around about here. Now that I've got my 3 lines, I can now start to draw on my bars using my ruler. Right then, here it goes. Here is my chart. I've drawn on my bars, so I'd already set my lines with my yellow. I drew my line across and put on my bar, same with the black, up to where the line I already had, and same with blue. Now you might have noticed I've labelled each of my horizontal and vertical axis so that we know what it is showing. So we know at the bottom it is showing the colour of the items, so that's yellow, black and blue. And at the side it is showing just the quantity of items, so how many of each colour did I find. I've put a little title on, and my title is A Bar Chart to Show the Amount of Items in Miss Wild's House that are yellow, blue and black. And there we go. There is my finished bar chart. Good luck, have fun and see you tomorrow.